Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different, and it's going to be an evening with me vlog. Specifically, what we're going to be doing is packing for my wedding week. So by the time you guys are watching this, I'll have been married and my new name is going to be Hayle Santella. But as of right now, we have 6 days to go and I need to start packing because we are going 2.5 hours north up into the mountains and we're going to be spending a couple of days there with our immediate family. And I have not packed anything yet, nothing at all. All I know is that I need my shoes, my wedding dress, and my veil, and I don't really have anything else planned. So we're gonna be digging through my closet, getting my suitcase out, and just packing my suitcase. And then while I was at it, I figured I would bring you guys along through the rest of my evening. Right now it's about 5:45 and I'm home from work for the day. I immediately set up my camera and my lights and everything, and then I also grabbed a quick snack of chips and salsa. But other than that, let's get into the vlog. There's only 6 days left. I am trying to steam my veil right now. I don't know if it's working. We bought a steamer off of Amazon, or I bought the steamer off of Amazon, and I just fill it with water. Got my veil all hooked up right here on our window, and I've just been steaming away. I have no idea if it's working or not, so I'm just gonna leave it hang here. I'm not too particularly concerned if Sean sees it before a wedding. It's just the veil. It's not really going to give anything away. I definitely don't want him to see my dress. Just putting that out there. But I think I'm going to leave my veil kind of hanging around. It said on the card that if you leave it hang for a few days, the wrinkles should come out, or you can try to steam it. And then it also suggested Downy wrinkle release, which we don't have any. So hopefully the steamer will work, and hopefully letting it hang will work as well. It looks really pretty. It already looks a ton better after just having it hung here for 5 minutes, so hopefully it will work. We seriously have not traveled with suitcases in so long. They're dusty, guys. I think I'm gonna have to get a washcloth or something to wash off these suitcases. I'm definitely not trying to give you guys a closet tour right now. Our closet is a mess, but we've got Sean's suit right here, and then behind it we've got my wedding dress. So these two items will probably get packed in the car at the very end, and they'll probably be the first things to come out once we get there. The next thing that I know that I need to pack, hands down have to, are my shoes, and I actually have 2 pair of wedding shoes. So these are my shoes, and they are 4-inch heels or 4.5-inch heels. They are definitely going to be a little bit painful after a while, and because of that, I also purchased a pair of wedged high flip-flops. I'm not sure. They have little crystals on them. I think these were like $16 off of Amazon. So I plan to wear my actual wedding shoes before the ceremony, during the ceremony, right after the ceremony, and then by the time we get back to the hotel for dinner, I probably will be changing into these for the rest of the evening. Unless we're going to be taking some additional photos that my shoes might be in, then I might be slipping these back on towards the end of the evening. Alright, shoes are all packed up. And yes, I'm wearing my future wifey t-shirt. I couldn't resist wearing this while I was packing. I just had to. This is getting packed just because it's supposed to get down into the 50s at night up in the mountains, and this will be nice and cozy warm, and it's a really cute jacket, so. I'm just sat here and I'm trying to figure out how many days we're gonna be up there. We're going up on Sunday. We're getting married on Monday. We're gonna be there all day Tuesday. And then we're coming back down here on Wednesday. So that's 4 days. I think I'm gonna pack one more dress just because I wanna be on the safe side. And then I'm also gonna pack one more pair of athletic shorts and an athletic top. And then that should be fine. I don't think I'll need anything else. I think that's it for clothes. The only other thing that I really need to pack, my makeup bag. That's gonna be a big one because I'm gonna be doing my own makeup on my wedding day. And then I also want to bring my hair dryer with me. Obviously, like toiletries, contact solution, glasses, toothpaste, toothbrush, shampoo, conditioner, all of that. Jewelry. Oh, we need to make sure to bring the rings, and we need to make sure to bring the marriage license for the officiant to sign. I don't want to forget something. All right, so this is what my suitcase is looking like so far. I've got all of my clothes on this side, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my toiletries and any other makeup or other items that I can think of, my hair dryer, that kind of stuff is gonna go in over here. And then if I can squeeze in some shoes, I'll put them in here. Sean and I can easily fit into regular carry-on size suitcases, so especially if we're only gonna be there for about 3 or 4 days. With that being said, let's go ahead and put this guy away. I made a mess earlier when I was opening up the steamer box. I think I'll clean this up now. Anytime that we get this kind of stuff, I always put it in a Ziploc baggie, and then that just keeps it organized. And I know that the steamer is gonna live in the laundry room, so I'm gonna go put this in the laundry room now. I'm honestly not really feeling the best, but I know I need to eat food. It's about 6:30 now. So I'm just gonna pop these mixed veggies in the microwave. They're in a steamer bag. So I'm just gonna throw them in quick. And I'm just gonna munch on these for dinner for now. You know what I just realized? I need to change my t-shirt because I wanna unpack this. I just got my veggies and I put some salt on it, and I'm gonna grab a fork and sit on the couch and eat this. I ate all of the carrots and corn out of my mixed veggies. I did eat some of the peas and green beans, but I definitely prefer the corn and carrots for some reason. I'm not sure why. But I've eaten all of that, and I've just been sitting here watching YouTube. I'm just going to end the video here. I'm just going to be sat here on the couch the rest of the evening, not doing anything else exciting besides getting ready for bed. So I'm going to end the video here. Alright you guys, that is it for today. If you enjoyed this more vlog style video, then make sure to hop over to our family channel called The Santellas. We're going to be uploading a lot of family vlog style videos over there, so make sure to go check that out and subscribe so you don't miss new videos over there. But then also make sure to let me know down in the comments so that I'll put more vlog style videos on this channel as well. I am so excited to be getting married, and like I mentioned, by this point in time I will be married and I will be Hayle Santella, and I'm so excited. I'm sure there's going to be more wedding related videos coming up in the near future, so make sure to keep an eye out for those. But other than that, I will see you in the next one. Bye!